What's up everyone? This is Andre. We're back with the Localization Basics. With me, Andre. I think I already said that. This is the content brought to you by Localization Academy. In this episode, we're going to talk about what the fuck is LE. LE stands for Localization Engineering, which is another important role on some of the projects. So what exactly does a localization engineer do? Localization engineers work closely in tandem with project managers. Now, why is it like that? Because project managers, most of them, some of them, they can barely copy paste in an efficient way. So if you ask a project manager to localize a website, you have probably a good idea how that would go. It wouldn't go very well because the project managers, they're not there to focus on the little technical details. They're there to focus on the bigger picture and work with the whole team, work with the customer, while localization engineers are there mostly to focus on the technical details. So they would be the one who would look at the website and prepare it for translation. So that's one of the key things that localization engineers do. They take the product, whether it's a website or software, source, and they prepare it for translation. And so as it gets translated, which is a Slovak translation, then they take the translations and put them back to the website. So now the website is localized and it can go to testing, for example. So once it goes to the testing, then the testers, they would report, let's say, bugs. And the purpose of the localization engineers is then to squash the bugs, which is a process we know as bug fixing, okay? Localization engineers prepare more technical projects, then they get them back to the build, so website or software, and then when the testing comes, because they're the ones who know the inside out of the software or the website, they're the ones who can also solve the technical defects and fix them. Finally, something which we talked about before, the magical acronym I18N, which stands for internationalization. The more advanced localization engineers can be there to consult the customer, the development team on the best practices of internationalization so that the localization can be done effortlessly. This is what I think is the main role of a localization engineer. So they are there mainly being responsible for the more technical aspects of localization projects. That's it.